Water is the foundation of sustainability, no matter what resource or value you have out on the landscape. The benefits of good watershed management extend beyond the forest reserve to downstream users such as municipalities, the City of Calgary, and the agricultural industry. Recognizing the value of water is one thing, but what is it we actually do to accommodate that value?
The company's detailed forest management plan was developed recognizing water values as laid out in the East Slopes policy and the integrated resource plan. The company uses several different high-tech tools to help us determine what's out on the landscape before we even get there. Things like LiDAR, digital elevation modeling, canopy height modeling, wet areas mapping are a few of the tools that we use.
When we develop our forest harvest plans, we don't just rely on what the forest inventory is telling us or what the computers are telling us. We go to the field to ground truth the information. We look at watercourse classifications to make sure that they're correct. We look for things such as mineral licks. We look for things such as owl's nest. The small things that are missed in things like inventory. Lake Sawmills is always on the lookout for new and better technology to protect water quality. Things such as open bottom culvert designs, steel box cribs, the use of geotextiles. The idea behind these is to minimize the disturbance of the banks, and that way you're protecting the water and the streams themselves.
Lake Sawmills has negotiated a set of operating ground rules together with the province. These ground rules end up defining things like classifications of streams and how we're going to buffer or accommodate them within our operations so those streams are protected. Very often our internal practices are in fact a step above what we're required to do by provincial policy.